Did you know that you could connect your AirPod Pros to your Samsung Galaxy? Now this is a S25 Ultra, but whether you have a 26 or older version, you can still connect even though it's an Apple product. So some people get confused and think that they won't pair. Let me go ahead and show you how to do it. It's quite simple. We're going to first go to the settings. So swipe up and hit the settings right here. Then we're going to go to connections. From here, we're going to want to hit Bluetooth. So once we get to Bluetooth, you'll see available devices. Now you're going to have to probably set the AirPod Pros to pairing mode, and how you do that is in the back there's a button. So we're going to first open it and see if it connects. No devices found. So we're going to go ahead and push this button in the back. And once you see the white light, it is now in pairing mode. Now, if it doesn't automatically show up, what I recommend doing is turning off the Bluetooth. Then we're going to turn it back on and it should now pop up. So it says AirPod Pros. We're going to go ahead and click that. On the bottom it says pair. It will ask you if you want to pair. Press that. And now they are connected. So it's as easy as that. And yes, Apple products do connect with Samsung. If this video has helped, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. It really helps the channel. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.